Alright, so you've probably heard this one before.
Just stop chasing and woman will come to you.
I find this line strange because it's like saying if you stop looking for your lost TV remote, it'll just appear on your couch. Spoiler alert, you're probably just gonna miss more episodes of your favorite show. And then there's the,
if you know your worth, they'll start chasing you, bro.
I f***ing hate these niggas.
That's against TOS. You can't say that.
Watch me, and if you like this video, be sure to like and send this video to any ugly schmuck that claims women chase them. Now, let's continue to talk about this Sigma male BS. The lone wolf who's too cool for the pack. Basically, the guy who brings a book to a party and sits in a corner.
You don't look mysterious. You look
Sure, these guys think they look mysterious, but in reality, they just look really out of place, and they're trying their hardest to not try. According to psychologist Rebecca Spencer, the idea that effortlessness attracts more attention is a bit misleading.
Read a book, your stupid is showing.
It's less about a lack of effort and more about a presence of confidence. Sitting back and doing nothing is like expecting to win a race because you've got on cool sneakers. While a runner can win a race in cool sneakers, the sneakers will rarely, if ever, be the reason the runner wins the race. The sneakers in this analogy would of course be effortlessness, while confidence can be equated to the conditioning of the runner in this analogy. While it often isn't the only reason a runner would win a race, it certainly has a big influence on the runner's chances of winning, unlike the coolness of his sneakers. I'm sure we've all seen a guy doing nothing and have a cute girl, or maybe even a few cute girls come up to him and start flirting, but in reality, being passive in social situations often leads to, well, nothing. People like a bit of effort. It shows you care. Who knew? And biologically speaking, effort is key. Animals do dances, build nests, you name it. They put in the work. You don't see a peacock spreading its feathers and then just chilling on the sidelines, do you? And I get it, humans are more neurologically advanced than other animals. This doesn't mean that we are immune to our natural tendencies. In fact, our advanced neurology makes us more socially reliant. From a sheer health perspective, it's a bad idea to be completely passive in your social life, and this is doubly true for the romantic side of your social life. Imagine if hypothetically all of your friends vanished from your life. Maybe you move to another state for work and don't have any friends in your new place of residency. Going out and standing in a corner and expecting people to approach you because you, quote, know your worth isn't confidence, it's delusion. This entire concept stems from fear and dishonesty. Dishonesty with oneself. Most men at a young age feel too ashamed to admit they have a bit of fear when faced with potential rejection, especially if that rejection could come from the opposite sex. This problem gets worse as they get older and more of their peers face this fear. As men get older, there's also an increase in expectation of experience. By the time men become 24, they just decide to deceive themselves by making various excuses for not being proactive in their dating life, and for some men, this sentiment extends to their social life as a whole. Since so many men end up in this situation, it's easy to actually begin to believe in these excuses over a long enough period of time of having other men corroborate them on sentiments like dating is a waste of time and it's better to let women approach you. However, if a man takes time to reflect, he would realize that such ideas are dishonest and this fear of rejection is normal and even evolutionary ingrained in men. I spent the better part of 6 months trying to come up with a solution to this problem, and I've found the best solution for it. I'll link the video at the end for those that are interested, but effortless dating is just a way of deflecting from facing one's own inadequacies when it comes to socializing. So, is effortless dating a myth? Pretty much. It's like expecting to win the lottery without buying a ticket. Sure, be confident, but don't be delusional. Being honest with yourself takes a lot of self-reflection, and the answers you first find might not be the right ones, but that's okay because, as I always say, practice does make perfect, so don't be upset if things don't work out the first time around, and until next time, peace.